stages was born out of necessity. Pakistan needed a fighter jet that could match the modern threats of the battlefield, and so the journey began. In May 2003, the first prototype rolled out, a sleek, lethal machine. Just a few months later, in August, the FC-1 took its maiden flight, proving its mettle in the skies. But this was just the beginning. With 5 prototype aircraft produced, testing began in earnest. 2 jets focused on the structure, flight qualities, and engine performance, while the other 3 pushed the boundaries of avionics and combat readiness. By 2007, the first phase of testing was complete. From its first flight in 2003 to its production today, the JF-17 Thunder has come a long way. A symbol of resilience, strength, and technological achievement, it stands tall as a guardian of the skies, ready to protect and strike when called upon. The JF-17 Thunder, Pakistan's gift to the world of aviation. A fighter jet that isn't just about combat, it's about legacy.